You started with Claude Code installed and the SDK configured. You're ending with a deployed app, a 4-command pipeline that handles the full dev cycle from issue to closed PR, a workflow you can point at an existing codebase, and a set of commands you wrote yourself. That's the whole arc. You built a development workflow, and an app came out the other side. Skills made the SDK work without guessing. CLAUDE.md gave the agent context that carried across every session. Plan mode, then task planning, then execution. Git discipline kept your history clean and your rollbacks possible. The deploy command got code to production without improvising the steps. Then, the issue-driven pipeline wrapped all of it into a repeatable system. Find the problems, spec them properly, implement in parallel, review, and close. Release notes and team communication come out the other side automatically. After all this, you'll be faster, sure. The bigger change is how you approach the work. You start spotting repeatable processes that could be skills, manual updates the agent could draft, and deployments that are worth automating. And that habit builds on itself. The developers who get the most out of Claude Code spend their energy designing the workflow first, then let the agent fill in the work. Clever prompts matter less than you think. If you're on a scoped app team, the pipeline can adapt. If you're a solo admin building tools for your platform, the patterns scale down. The agent doesn't really care about your team size. But keep building. The tooling is there, the patterns are established, and you've got the whole series as a reference if you need to go back to any of it. And that's it. Thank you, and talk to you in the next series of videos. Bye.